Crossdressing is the act of wearing clothing, accessories, makeup, or hairstyles that are typically associated with a different gender than one's assigned sex at birth. Some people crossdress for fun, expression, exploration, or identity, while others crossdress for comfort, convenience, or necessity. There are many reasons why someone might want to crossdress, and there is no right or wrong way to do it. However, crossdressing can also come with some challenges, such as finding clothes that fit well, flatter one's figure, and suit one's personal style. It can also be difficult to find clothes that are appropriate for different seasons, occasions, and settings. Moreover, crossdressing can sometimes attract unwanted attention, judgment, or discrimination from others. One way to overcome some of these challenges is to choose light feminine outfits that are versatile, comfortable, and stylish. In this video, we will offer some tips and ideas for choosing light feminine outfits for MTF crossdressers. We will cover how to choose the right colors and patterns. The first thing to consider when choosing light feminine outfits is the color palette. The color palette refers to the range of colors that you use in your outfit. The color palette can have a big impact on your overall appearance, as different colors can create different moods, impressions, and effects. To choose a color palette that works well for light feminine outfits, you need to consider two factors: your skin tone and your personal preference. Your skin tone is the natural color of your skin, which can be influenced by your ethnicity, genetics, sun exposure, blood circulation, etc. Your skin tone can be classified into three categories: cool, warm, or neutral. Cool skin tones have pink, red, or blue undertones. They look best in cool colors like sky blue, frosty purple, cobalt, emerald green, and light grassy tones. Warm skin tones have yellow, peach, or golden undertones. They look best in warm colors like coral, peachy pink, sunny yellow, orange red, and olive green. Neutral skin tones have a balance of cool and warm undertones. They look best in neutral colors like beige, taupe, cream, navy, and gray. To determine your skin tone, you can do a simple test. Look at the veins on your wrist in natural light. If they appear blue or purple, you have a cool skin tone. If they appear greenish, you have a warm skin tone. If they appear blue-green, you have a neutral skin tone. Once you know your skin tone, you can choose colors that flatter it and enhance your natural beauty. For light feminine outfits, you want to choose colors that are soft, pastel, or muted, as they create a gentle and delicate look. Here are some examples of light feminine colors for each skin tone. Cool skin tones: lavender, mint green, baby blue, powder pink, lilac, silver. Warm skin tones: peach, coral, butter yellow, apricot, salmon, gold. Neutral skin tones: beige, ivory, champagne, rose gold, blush, pearl. Another thing to consider when choosing colors for light feminine outfits is the pattern. The pattern refers to the design or motif that is printed or woven on the fabric of your clothing item. The pattern can add some variety, interest, and personality to your outfit. To choose a pattern that works well for light feminine outfits, you need to consider two factors: the size and the style of the pattern. The size of the pattern refers to how big or small the design or motif is on the fabric. The size of the pattern can affect how your outfit looks and how it fits your body shape and size. As a general rule, smaller patterns tend to create a more subtle and refined look, while larger patterns tend to create a more bold and dramatic look. Smaller patterns also tend to make you look smaller or slimmer, while larger patterns tend to make you look bigger or fuller. For light feminine outfits, you want to choose patterns that are small to medium in size, as they create a balanced and harmonious look. You also want to avoid patterns that are too large or too busy, as they can overwhelm your outfit and draw attention away from your face and figure. Here are some examples of small to medium patterns for light feminine outfits. Floral. Floral patterns are one of the most popular and classic patterns for light feminine outfits. They feature flowers or plants of various shapes, sizes, and colors on the fabric. Floral patterns can create a romantic, sweet, and fresh look. Polka dot. Polka dot patterns are another popular and classic pattern for light feminine outfits. They feature dots or circles of various sizes and colors on the fabric. Polka dot patterns can create a playful, fun, and retro look. Stripe. Stripe patterns are another popular and classic pattern for light feminine outfits. They feature lines or bands of various widths and colors on the fabric. Stripe patterns can create a simple, elegant, and modern look. Plaid. Plaid patterns are another popular and classic pattern for light feminine outfits. They feature crisscrossed lines or checks of various sizes and colors on the fabric. Plaid patterns can create a cozy, casual, and preppy look. Lace. Lace patterns are another popular and classic pattern for light feminine outfits. They feature intricate and delicate designs of loops or holes on the fabric. Lace patterns can create a sophisticated, sexy, and chic look. The style of the pattern refers to the type or genre of the design or motif on the fabric. The style of the pattern can affect how your outfit looks and how it matches your personal style and preference. As a general rule, simpler patterns tend to create a more versatile and timeless look, while more complex patterns tend to create a more unique and trendy look. Simpler patterns also tend to be easier to mix and match with other items, while more complex patterns tend to require more careful coordination and planning. For light feminine outfits, you want to choose patterns that are simple to moderate in style, as they create a balanced and harmonious look. You also want to avoid patterns that are too complicated or too loud, as they can clash with your outfit and draw attention away from your face and figure. Here are some examples of simple to moderate patterns for light feminine outfits. Solid. Solid patterns are the simplest and most versatile patterns for light feminine outfits. They feature a single color on the fabric, without any design or motif. Solid patterns can create a clean, minimalist, and elegant look. Geometric. Geometric patterns are another simple and versatile pattern for light feminine outfits. They feature shapes or figures of various sizes and colors on the fabric, such as circles, squares, triangles, etc. Geometric patterns can create a modern, edgy, and dynamic look. Animal. Animal patterns are another simple and versatile pattern for light feminine outfits. They feature prints or imitations of animal skins or furs on the fabric, such as leopard, zebra, snake, etc. Animal patterns can create a wild, exotic, and glamorous look. Paisley. Paisley patterns are another moderate and versatile pattern for light feminine outfits. They feature curved or teardrop-shaped motifs of various sizes and colors on the fabric, often with floral or abstract elements. Paisley patterns can create a bohemian, ethnic, and artistic look. Gingham. Gingham patterns are another moderate and versatile pattern for light feminine outfits. They feature small checks of two colors on the fabric, usually white and another color. Gingham patterns can create a cute, country, and vintage look. Choosing light feminine outfits for MTF Crossdressers can be an enjoyable and rewarding experience. Light feminine outfits can help you express your femininity in a subtle and elegant way. They can also help you overcome some of the challenges and benefits of crossdressing. We hope this video has helped you find some inspiration and guidance for choosing light feminine outfits for MTF crossdressers. Remember that there is no right or wrong way to crossdress, and the most important thing is to have fun and be yourself. We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.